Good morning, everyone. I am Asu Sharma, and today we are going to talk about watches. First, let's discuss about the history of watches. Uh, there is a person called Peter Henton, a German clockmaker, invented the watch. He was the first man who invented the watch. Firstly, in around 1510. Uh, the watch was invented to track the time first and for navigation and convenience, basically for the convenience purpose. And you probably know that the first hand strap watch was built by Rolex, which is the most popular company in the watch category. The main uses of watch, it is used basically for seeing the time and for the convenience purpose. The first watch, when the watch was built, there were these watches are hanged here, and after that the watch came in the hand. And these watches are a part of seeing the time. These are used as a fashion accessories. The most watches used as a fashion accessories from the major brands like Rolex, Apple. They build an expensive watch to show the level or the status in the society. Apart of that, the watches comes in so many colors, from premium black to white to grayish to every color you can imagine. The watch you can get in that. And if you talk about the quality, the quality definitely matters, but it comes with a price. If you choose a low price watch, it will definitely have the low quality watch. But if you go with a premium in the category like Rolex, you will get a so amazing watch. They even guarantee you a 5 or 10 year warranty. You even go in the deepest water, the watch will work completely fine. And there are so many popular brands in this category, like there's a brand like Board Noise, which provide you from digital watches. They are in a trend nowadays. Everyone use the digital watches apart of the classical watches like analog watches. They were used earlier at the time, but currently the so-called Gen Zs want to have a classical, a part of classical.
It's not called Gen Z, it's called Gen Alpha.
But I call them Gen Z.
But Alpha is like born from 2013 to 2020.
No,
So
Alpha.
Gen Z can't wear smartwatches.
Yeah, got the point, but you should also include Gen Alpha too.
They are kids, na? They do not matter. They do not matter
Too much
for
about
us.
watches. So, like everyone wants the so many features, from calling to video call to gallery to all the features you can imagine, from fitness tracker. Everyone wants these features, so brands build the smart watches which track the fitness and all that stuff. The price range of watch, if we talk about, it can range. If you bought a classical watch, you can get from 150 to 200 on Amazon, Flipkart. And if you want a good quality watch, you can invest $1,000 or $2,000 in a watch. And if you are rich guy, you want to show your status in the society, you can order a Rolex watch in advance from Dubai.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.